All right, this is kind of review for most of you, but the first one we're going to go through for factoring quadratics is actually your factoring quadratics. So there's the three methods. There's factoring and then using zero property product to find your x-intercepts. There is the completing the square, which will be in the next video, and then there is the quadratic formula, which will be the third video. So this one is just simply factoring and using zero property product. So when factoring, I'm hoping you're past the point of needing diamonds and rectangles at this point. If you still need diamonds or rectangles, they'll work, but I would like you to get past that. So what you need to think about is what are two numbers that multiply to positive 16 but add up to negative 10. I'll give you a second to think about that. What two numbers multiply to make positive 16 but add up to make negative 10? Oh, wait, I've got it. Those two numbers would be negative 8 and negative 2. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16, but negative 8 plus negative 2 is negative 10. So once we know those two factors, we can do the zero property product, meaning set this factor equal to 0, set this factor equal to 0, and then solve for x. So add 8 to both sides, add 2 to both sides, and my answers are 8 and 2. That is all there is to it for factoring and then using zero property product. When you can see that quickly, this is the fastest way of solving a quadratic formula or quadratic equation for your x-intercepts. The next one coming up will be completing the square, but that's it for this one.